These are snowdrops. They are some of the first flowers to bloom in the spring, and their common name snowdrops comes from that because they often bloom right through the snow. They're actually known as Galanthus, if I'm even pronouncing that right. You can plant snowdrops as bulbs in the autumn, and I actually wait until all of my things growing in the perennial bed have died back and plant them in there. About 3 inches deep, and just push your shovel in a little ways and pull it forward, and ensure the soil is well drained. Though snowdrops or any bulbs don't like waterlogged conditions, and most all bulbs and plants love a lot of compost in the soil. This retains moisture and adds a lot of natural fertilizer. And I keep all of my garden watered, and just put your finger in the soil, and if it feels dry, then go ahead and water. Although I think I like to water the garden at least once a week, and allow the foliage to die back naturally in the fall. And don't mow, or I don't mow or do anything in my flower beds anyway. And if you want to divide them, you can divide the clumps after flowering while the leaves are still green, but just carefully lift the clumps and separate the bulbs, and then replant them immediately. And not too many pests or anything bother snowdrops. They're just beautiful little bulbs that grow. I like them because they are so early in the spring, and you can just walk out, and when nothing else is growing in the flower bed yet, there is snowdrops, beautiful little white things, a few inches above the ground. And so this is why I like snowdrops so much. So enjoy them, and I will talk to you later next time. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.